For this video, I want to focus on the Start Here module. So let me click through. And I'm going to walk through the different items that are inside this first module. First thing you'll find is the course syllabus. Most of the syllabus is going to have the same information or very similar information as your other classes here at VSU. But I want to point out just a couple things that are unique to our class. First, we do use the Day One program. We're part of that. We're going to use Pearson's MyLab math software. You are automatically registered for this program when you sign up for this class. You don't need to do anything else. You don't need to do a second extra step to get yourself signed up for the MyLab software. You're in. If you click on the homework links or the test links that I have in the different modules, it will take you to the software. And I have here, do not opt out of this program. If you opt out, you're still going to have to buy the software, but you'll have to buy it through the bookstore at a higher price. So do not opt out of that program. It's going to save you money. It's a good thing, I promise. The other thing I want to talk about here in the syllabus is how grading is going to work. Homework is going to be 40% of your total grade in the class. I have your grades in this class done with a point system. So each homework assignment is worth 20 points. You have 22 homework assignments, so that would be 440 points, but I'm going to drop the two lowest homework grades. So there's going to be 400 points for homework. It'll be 40% of the grade. Chapter tests are also 40% of your overall grade in the class. There will be 6 of these tests. Each of these is worth 80 points, but I will be dropping the lowest. So the chapter test will be 5 times 80, another 400 points. So I've got 400 points for homework, 400 points for chapter tests. The final exam is 20% of your grade, 200 points. You also have an attendance verification assignment, which I'll talk about in a second, and that is a way to earn a little bit of extra credit in the class. But in the class, you're going to have, again, homework, chapter tests, and then the final exam. I have a course schedule posted for you as well. Assignments that have a due date, I have in red on this schedule, and the due date is listed in the column on the right. One thing I do want to point out, when it comes to the homework, you have the entire summer term to do the homework. Homework is not due until Tuesday, July 28th. The due dates for the different modules refer to the chapter test for that module. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me about that. Then the final exam will open midnight, so it'll be late Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning, but it's going to open midnight Wednesday, July 29th. You'll have all day Wednesday and then all day Thursday, July 30th to take that final exam. Attendance verification. So this is going to be an assignment that's in MyLab. So if you click on an assignment that you're going to complete in MyLab Math, it'll ask you to open the link in a new web browser tab. This is a very short 5-question assignment, and like I said, this one is worth extra credit for your grade. It does need to be done by June 17th at 11:59 p.m. This attendance verification is crucial. Even though it's an extra credit assignment, it is crucial that you complete it. If it is not completed, you will be dropped for non-attendance. So please make sure you get the attendance verification finished. A couple other things I want to quickly go through. Because this is an asynchronous online class, I don't have set office hours. If you would like to meet with me virtually for office hours, I have a link here to Teams. What you would want to do is just email me and we'll set up a time that we can meet. We'll both click on this link and then we'll be in that virtual space where we can chat face to face. If you prefer just to email me though this summer, that's perfectly fine. Last couple things. First one is a PDF file that contains information about the Brightspace Pulse app. If you do not have this app already, I highly recommend you download it to your phone. It's completely free. And if you have a smartphone, just go to your app store, type in Brightspace Pulse, and that will let you download the app. But it allows you to check BlazeView from your phone, and you can set up notifications that when your instructors post announcements or a new grade is posted, you'll be notified on your phone. It's a really good app to have. And then the last thing I have here in this Start Here module has to do with sending announcements to an email address. Whenever I need to reach the class as a whole, I will post an announcement to BlazeView. If you prefer to get these sent to email, I have a file posted here with screenshots that will walk you through the process. It's very quick. It takes all of about a minute to do. So again, in case you're interested in having course announcements sent to your email, you can click through this. If you have any questions about the Start Here module or any of the other modules in the class, please feel free to email me. You can email me through BlazeView or at my Outlook email, djhopkins@valdosta.edu.